Good evening, Mark here with Mark's Garage. Back in the garage with you for another YouTube vid. Today we just did an unboxing of some parts that I'm going to be adding to the Panigale V4S. This is artwork in a box. Straight from Italy. We've got Motocorse parts. This is the cream de la crop of the aftermarket parts world. Check those fork bottoms out. Those are the superbike style fork bottoms for the OEM owns suspension that will replace the cheap looking cast units. Those are awesome. That is artwork. Incredible. These are replacing the cast aluminum plates that the rear sets mount to. They will look awesome. The black will blend in with the Jill's tooling rear sets. Very, very excited for this. Stay tuned for more with the installation and completion video. Have a great Easter weekend. Talk to you later. Mark, you're out.